Them a use nowadays, they in a talking. Violator, some big guns and barking. Them not live in peace, they are them.
This is the voice of Diamond Treasure for what go on to get out now. The youth them not talking, now the same guns barking. I tell you them for put it on cease. Because we're the least. 666 at the mark of the beast. Diamond Treasure, big up yourself. Buddha Production, Rising Star Production. Listen this again, it's called Nine and Talking. Diamond Treasure.
Yo, Selassie. Yeah, Emmanuel. Yeah. Oh, rising stars to the world. Yo.
The youth they in and talking.
Violator, some big guns
Guns embarking.
Them not live in peace, they and them run the streets. Nowadays they better watch where you're walking.
Know what?
One door did a mama balling. Emperor Selassie, I name she
Calling.
Mama hold your head,
This is the voice of Diamond Treasure. It's called Nine and Talking.
it's falling. Hey. Get the youths things soon get better. Me know say that times hard and things get tougher. Hey, no see the AK no quick to go for me. No say that you tired.
You know it's Diamond Treasure representing for all music field.
Can we don't chatter? When I run the streets red, everything get flatter. I can't sleep. When you say that you made up my cat, I have to see in data. And it's Sunday so far. Them a youth when I in a talking.